I'm showing you all around the Five Rivers MetroParks located throughout the Miami Valley.
This morning, Fox 45's Clancy Burke joins us live from Wegerzyn Gardens to show why it's so unique.
Nathan, Elise, it seriously feels like I've just been dropped into a whole new universe, guys. I'm going to be honest, I almost just wiped out. That did not go as planned. But it really does feel like I've been dropped into a whole new universe because this place doesn't feel like it's even located in Dayton, but the truth is, it is precisely 3.8 miles away from downtown. You don't just come here to look around. No, you come here to play. And that's why I'm here with Betty. And Betty, first of all, you were just playing with those earlier. Tell me about that and tell me why it's so important for even adults to play.
Sure. This is a hops hornbeam tree. And this time of year, top fruit looks like a hops. And when you play with it,
I love that.
So many people get hung up on the idea, oh, it's a formal garden. I can't do anything but just look at it. But you have to look at it, you have to listen to it, and all the things that go on. And that's what makes it a really fun garden, because it's not just a formal thing. It's a really relaxed, fun place for everybody to discover stuff, which is neat.
I love that. Guys, when Betty talks, I get chills. I don't know. You're such a... I don't know what to say. One thing you were also talking about was the transitions. I kind of want to take a walk over here so we can look at these perspectives. Tell me about this.
Okay, where we're going now is the garden green. So we've been in the gardens with lots and lots of plants, and now we go into the garden green and we see an space, and we also see a pathway, and the pathway leads us to more of the gardens. So this is the outside of the formal gardens, but you can see it's a place where your brain can relax and can say, this is peaceful, this is calm, this is what I need, because I've seen all that excitement. Now I'm going to be calm. And you just come in here and enjoy it. And then we move to the center of the garden and see these beautiful trees lining just the area. Get right at the end of it, because we've got the South Plaza with a prairie and a beautiful open vista. And you think, gosh, it just can't get much better than this. And it's so beautiful this time of the morning. You want to come again at different times of the day, because the light shifts and you see all the beautiful patterns that the leaves make. And when there's no leaves, just the patterns of the structures within the garden.
Wow, this is amazing, Betty. You have the most soothing voice ever. I don't even know what to say, Betty. You're amazing. Guys, new favorite MetroPark, gotta come out. For now, back to you guys in the studio.
I need Betty to put me to sleep or give me some meditation.
Or narrate my life.
Seriously,
That's amazing.
she was awesome.
It reminds me of Bob Ross with it, and now you paint happy trees.
Yes! And only happy things.
And happy things, this wonderful, beautiful time. Our time